Is the higher price of the i9-13900KS compared to the i9-13900K worth it? And what you can achieve with Intel's newest processor generation? Let's find out. The main box is made of sturdy hard paper material. Inside you will find a fancy plastic disc with a unique surface. The disc contains rigged foam that provides protection for the processor, which is enclosed in plastic. So all in all, there's quite a bit of plastic packaging surrounding the compact processor. The processor itself is a sleek silver chip. It features a descriptive print on the front that identifies its purpose. On the backside, you will find the contacts used to connect it to the main board. Now let's dive into the important details. The i9-13900KS offers improvements over the i9-13900K by featuring a turbo boost capability of up to 6 GHz. Like the i9-13900K, it boosts 24 cores comprising 8 performance cores with a maximum turbo frequency of 5.4 GHz and a base frequency of 3.2 GHz, as well as 16 efficient cores with a maximum turbo frequency of 4.3 GHz and a base frequency of 2.4 GHz. The processor utilizes a total of 32 threads and includes a 36 MB Intel Smart Cache and a 32 MB L2 cache. It operates with a base power consumption of 125 watts and a maximum turbo power consumption of 150 watts. The processor supports the LGA1700 socket and has a temperature limit of 100 degrees Celsius. It supports memory capacities of up to 128 GB and memory types including DDR5 5600 MB/s and DDR4 3200 MB/s. It features 2 maximal memory channels and provides a maximum memory bandwidth of 89.6 GB/s. Additionally, it supports ECC memory. The Intel i9-13900KS comes equipped with an integrated graphics processor 770, featuring a base frequency of 300 MHz and a maximum dynamic frequency of 1.65 GHz. It supports up to 4 displays with a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 Hz via HDMI 2.1 and 8K at 60 Hz via DisplayPort. It supports DirectX version 12, OpenGL version 4.5 and OpenCL version 3.0. As demonstrated in the Cine benchmark, the processor shines in both multi-core and single-core performance, claiming the first place with 38,010 points in multi-core and 2,111 points in single-core, making it top performer in rendering tasks. Further benchmarks reveal the processor's excellent performance, often outperforming competitors like the Ryzen 9 7950X. The notable difference between the KS and K variants are the maximum turbo boost of 6 GHz compared to 5.8 GHz and a slightly higher power consumption of 150 watts instead of 125 watts. While the slight upgrade may not be worth the higher price for most users, the i9-13900K remains an outstanding choice for building a robust workstation setup. Its abundance of fast cores makes it particularly suitable for rendering tasks. Additionally, the processor excels in gaming and game development due to its high performance. In the following video, I discuss the other components included in the workstation and share my plans for its use. By using the links in the description, you can get fast to the product and I get a commission when you buy it. Win-win for both of us. If you have feedback, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, you know what to do, like it. And if you want to see more like that, subscribe to my channel.